I was excited to take our two senior dogs for a ride when we bought our new Honda Pilot. But they were used to our Honda Odyssey, which was easy for them to get in and out of.
Guess what we're gonna do, doggies? Who wants to go in the car?
As you can see, the back of the Pilot was way too high for them to jump into, and they both are too heavy for my wife to lift. A folding ramp was the obvious choice, and I wanted one that would fit into the hidden storage compartment in the Pilot.
Oh, do you see that?
I found the perfect fit, and there's a link in the description.
That's beautiful.
But this video is more about how I trained the dogs to use the ramps.
So this flips open like this. And we're gonna see if you guys, you gals, you ladies, can make it up the ramp. That actually feels pretty good. All right, Coda first. Okay, Coda, come on. Come here, come. Good girl, I'm gonna guide you, okay? Let's go up. No, come on, we're gonna go up. Come, can you walk up? Come on, walk up. Can you go up? Come on, we're gonna go up. Let's go up here. Can you walk?
They had absolutely no interest in going up the incline. So first, we put the ramp flat on the floor so they could get used to the feel of their paws and the sound of their claws on the textured surface.
Okay, Zoe, come. Come. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Okay, Coda's turn. Come here, Coda. Coda, sit. Okay, come. Come. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, Zoe, come. Come here. Come. Sit. Good girl. Zoe, come. Come. All right. Good girl. You did well.
We then introduced goldfish cracker treats to see if we could motivate them to climb.
Zoe. Come on. That's a good girl. Now come down here. Come on. Good girl.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, maybe they have to have a running start. So let's try this.
Okay.
I have an idea.
You
Here.
girls are doing really well.
Let's try it less steep. Here.
And here, you got a treat too.
Let's see if they can walk on this.
Come on.
Good girl.
Come on. No, Zoe.
She missed.
Sit. Good girl. Now come on. There we go. Good girl. Whoop, almost. You
Good.
still
That
got
was
it.
good.
Come on, sweetie. Good girl. You did it. Sit. Okay. Zoe, come. Good girl. Sit. Gentle. No more biting mommy's little fingers today. We'll go a step higher, Daddy.
I think we can, sure.
All right, come on, girls.
Maybe this time I'll put it next to the wall to give them more of a sense of security. And if I stand here, it'll kind of block them.
Okay. Zoe, you want to be first? Come, Zoe.
Here,
Come sit.
give me a treat.
Sit. Good girl.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready, Zoe? There's a treat.
Good
Come.
girl, good girl,
Good girl, go get it.
Good
girl. Yay. Good doggy.
All right, Coda, you're next. Sit. Good girl. Okay. All right,
Coda,
ready?
here's
Come
a
on.
treat.
Let's go.
Here,
Good
here's
girl,
your treat.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Nice job.
Good girl.
Here, actually, let him come down to me.
Okay. Come
Okay,
on, what's a
come
treat?
on. Good girl. Sit. Gentle, you. Come on.
Okay,
Good
go
girl,
ahead.
Good girl. No.
Oh, she took a shortcut.
No. Come on.
Okay, ready?
Come on.
Go ahead.
Good girl.
Oh, she got it.
We didn't want to burn them out on training all in one day, so we waited until the next day, moved the ramp inside, and trained them on our carpeted staircase. This went pretty well. We're training with cheese crackers. Zoe, stay. Okay, Zoe, go get the fish. Good girl. So we've kind of made a game of it. Coda, sit. Coda, stay. Coda, go get the fish. Good girl. We spent about 15 or 20 minutes in this training session, and then we waited one more day and repeated the training before taking them out to the car. Maybe do another set while it's on the third step, and then we'll move it up to the fourth step where it's starting to get steeper. See if they can master the ramp. Here's the results.
Who wants to go for a ride? Good sesame. Coda first. Come here, Coda. Ready? We're gonna go up. Up, 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 up. Good girl. Zoe, come here. Good girl. Turn around. Ready? Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up.
Yay!
Good girls. Okay.
I do feel like the ramp is still a little bit steep for them to be perfectly comfortable on. At least we've gotten to the point where we can get them in and out like you're seeing, and they are getting better and better every day.
I love how this fits. This was one of the only ones that fits into this little compartment.
Well, to all of my dog-loving friends, I hope you found that this video was helpful. My name's Mike. The channel is Mike Fixed It. For more auto, home, and tech tips, please consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments in the space below. Be good, be well, and be safe, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.